had a few questions on Power Commander setup stuff, so I'm kind of going over here, giving you guys an idea how to set things up. Here we've got our battery. This would be your normal 9-volt battery supply. I use a bigger battery since we program so many things. You want to make sure your battery is plugged in first and powering up your unit. Once the unit is powered up, you want to take your USB cable and plug it in to your computer. When your USB cable plugs into your computer, it might take it a minute here, it'll pop up. For some reason we don't have connectivity, gotta love electronics. There, now we've got it. You see our fuel table show up and our ignition table up on the top. Hopefully you guys can see that, not have any glare in the light. If you want to check out what's there, usually you have to hit the get map, and then it'll say receiving map, map received successfully. It'll show you exactly what's going on here. You can toggle over to your ignition table as well. The biggest thing you guys want to check is double check and make sure your throttle position sensor is calibrated right. Right now throttle is closed. You'll have to power up the sled to see this. Just turn the kill switch and the key on. Right now the throttle position is closed, and if I hold it wide open it should go to 99 or 100%. You can see at the very top where it says 500 RPM, and I can make it go in yellow across to 80% throttle, 60%, 40%, 20%, 10%, 5%, 2 and 0. I've got the trace feature activated on the Power Commander software right now, so you can see that. If you want to open a new map, you want to click on Open Map File, and wherever you have your map saved, whether it's the desktop, generally I recommend if you've got it saved, save it on your desktop so you can find it right away. You want to open that up, you want to select your new map, and it'll ask you to save your old map before you put the new map in. If you do not have the old map saved anywhere on your computer, you want to select yes and save it. Here is the new map then. With the new map, in order to get it to the Power Commander, you want to hit the send map button. It'll say sending map, and then map sent successfully. You also, some of you have asked about hub configuration. This has a multifunction hub on it since it's a turbo sled. You want to go into Power Commander Tools, Hub Configuration. This will be your .hcf configuration file. You want to hit Load Configuration and then select your .hcf, and it'll be loaded. If you were doing a turbo setup, you would hit the pressure setup and you would see the fuel curve and ignition timing curve where it's supposed to change based on boost. You can also go into the hub configuration, and with the multifunction hub, if you have the LCD screen, you can do a gear setup, which will show you how the mile an hour on the LCD screen, or you can do an output setup, which will activate a relay based on throttle position and engine RPM. You can see the ignition module in the Power Commander there, multifunction hub. On this particular sled I also have the LCD display showing engine RPM, mile per hour, ignition change, fuel change, trim voltage, which is your boost throttle position, and I have the wideband commander as well installed showing the air-fuel ratio. Just realized that and show you guys how to set your throttle position if it isn't showing 0 and 99 or 100%. If it isn't showing 0 or 99 or 100%, you should click on Power Commander Tools, Set Throttle Position, and here closed is when you're at 0%, and if you hit the left arrow, that'll set it at the closed, and then what you'll want to do is hold the throttle wide open so it shows that the max, and you'll hit the right arrow and set the wide open throttle position. Left arrow idle, right arrow, wide open, 100% throttle. Again, left side, 0% throttle, right side, 100% throttle. Phone's ringing, gotta go. Talk to you later, guys. Hit OK, and everything's set.